Welcome to one more video on plant-based cosmetics. In this video, let us learn the different techniques that are used for the extraction of phytochemicals from the plant material. The plant materials have a lot of bioactive compounds, and these bioactive compounds are also called phytochemicals, and they are used in making the plant-based cosmetics. So we need some techniques to extract the phytochemicals. The most popular techniques that are used for the extraction of phytochemicals from the plant material are maceration technique, decoction technique, Soxhlet extraction technique, and ultrasonification technique. All these techniques have both advantages and disadvantages. Let us learn briefly about all these techniques one by one. The most common and the most easiest technique is called maceration technique. And in case of maceration technique, what we do is we take the plant material and we just keep the plant material in the solvent for a short period of time, maybe 1 day or 2 days depending on the plant material. The phytochemicals that are present in the plant material will dissolve in the solvent. Now after say 1 or 2 days, you just filter and then collect the solvent in which the phytochemicals are present, and then phytochemicals are taken from the solvent. Easiest technique. The second technique is called decoction technique. It is also similar to maceration. The only thing is here we are taking the plant material and boil it in the water. So we are boiling the plant material in the water or solvent, any other solvent. So this is used only if the plant material contains the phytochemicals which are heat stable. So heat sensitive plant material cannot be used for the extraction in case of decoction technique. Only heat stable compounds can be extracted in the decoction technique. So what you do is take the plant material, boil it in solvent, and then for maybe 15 minutes or 1 hour, then filter it. The filtrate is the one which contains the phytochemicals. From there you extract the phytochemicals. That is the decoction technique. The third and most important, most popular method is called Soxhlet extraction technique. It involves the use of an apparatus called Soxhlet apparatus, and you can see the Soxhlet apparatus on the screen. And here it involves a number of steps that are there. I am explaining the steps involved in the Soxhlet extraction. So what you are doing is you are keeping the plant material in the thimble, and then you are keeping the solvent in the round bottom flask at the bottom, and you are boiling the solvent, and the vapors pass through this material, and then the plant material that contains the phytochemicals are released into the solvent, which are later collected. The fourth method is called ultrasonification method, where we are using high frequency waves, and these high frequency waves will break down the cell wall, break down the cells of the plant material, and allow the phytochemicals to be released into the solvent. So this is the most advanced and the most efficient way of extracting the phytochemicals from the plant material. I hope you have understood the different techniques of extracting the phytochemicals from the plant material. The further details about these techniques, I have given it in the description box. Please open the description box and see the further details about these techniques and learn about these techniques. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.